An external audio device, such as an MP3 player, can be connected via the aux-in port or the USB audio interface in the center armrest. This location allows for ease of use and a safe place to keep the device. To connect devices such as an MP3 player that uses a USB cable, plug one end of the cable into the device and the other into this port. The aux-in port is used to connect an external device directly to the speakers of your vehicle. When using the aux connection, you need an auxiliary cable. This connects the headphone jack from a device to the aux port. Be sure that the cable is plugged in entirely in order to have sound from both speakers. Once the device is connected, playing it through your vehicle's audio system is a simple process. Navigate to Multimedia through iDrive. Then select External Devices and choose the connected phone or MP3 player as a music source.